號派入第10號。4從左方面啦，5號、2號、10號、6號身在排第1434。
Ladies and gentlemen, the BMW Hong Kong Derby Trophy Presentation Ceremony will now commence.
各位馬迷，2026年度寶馬香港打比大賽新一代強者啱啱誕生，呢場4歲馬經典賽事系列嘅終極之戰，本地馬壇嘅至高榮譽係由白路金剛刷新全新打比紀錄，獲得冠軍㗎，恭喜晒
！Ladies and gentlemen, please congratulate the winning connections of Invincible Ibis, the BMW Hong Kong Derby winner of 2026.
而家我哋先有請我哋香港賽馬會嘅主席廖長江先生，將寶馬香港打比大賽嘅獎杯同埋馬年特別版嘅珍藏獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬八路金剛嘅馬主八路團體。而家主杯咧就係由 Mr. H 代表接受㗎。
Now the chairman of the Hong Kong Jockey Club, the Honourable Martin Liao, presents the BMW Hong Kong Derby Trophy and the specially commissioned Year of the Horse Edition Trophy to winning owner Nick Etches of the Ibis Syndicate.
咁跟住落嚟咧，我哋嘅馬年特別版珍藏獎杯咧就係由我哋嘅馬主代表咧代表接受嘅。
And Chairman, please also present the specially designed Year of the Horse Edition Trophy to the winning trainer. It is his first BMW Hong Kong Derby after 5 winners at Happy Valley on Wednesday. Mark Newnham, the week of weeks.
我哋嘅主席咧啱啱將我哋馬年特別版嘅珍藏獎杯咧頒發俾我哋勝出馬匹嘅練馬師廖康比，亦都係佢贏取首場嘅打比啊！
Thank you, Chairman.
跟住落嚟，我哋繼續有請寶馬香港打比大賽，我哋嘅大使甄子丹先生就將另一隻馬年特別版嘅珍藏獎杯咧，就係頒發俾我哋勝出馬匹嘅騎師布文。
And now BMW's Hong Kong Derby Ambassador, Mr. Donnie Yen, is presenting the specially designed Year of the Horse Edition Trophy to winning jockey. And it is his third BMW Hong Kong Derby. Congratulations to Hugh Bowman.
唔該晒甄子丹先生 ，Thank you so much, Donnie。跟住落嚟，我哋咧係有請寶馬香港服務股份有限公司執行董事陳祖安先生致送紀念品，俾我哋勝出頭馬八路金剛嘅馬主八路團體㗎。
We now invite the Managing Director of BMW Hong Kong Services Limited, Mr. Raymond Tan, to present a souvenir to the winning owners, the Ibis Syndicate. Invincible Ibis was just that today, a dominant performance in the BMW Hong Kong Derby and in a race record time. The fastest ever BMW Hong Kong Derby, 149 runnings.
喺度唔該晒陳生 ，Thank you Mr. Chan。繼續我哋有請寶馬汽車香港有限公司香港及澳門董事總經理梁建新先生咧，就致送紀念品俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅練馬師廖康明。
And the presentations keep coming. Managing Director Hong Kong and Macau BMW Concessionaires Hong Kong Limited, Mr. Ray Leong is now presenting a souvenir to Mark Newnham.
唔該晒梁生 ，Thank you so much Mr. Lam。
And now the Managing Director of Sign Motors, Mr. Andrew Basham, is going to present a souvenir to the winning rider, Hugh Bowman.
深南嘅汽車集團董事總經理顧旭漢先生咧，而家將我哋嘅紀念品頒發俾我哋勝出嘅騎師波文。Congratulations！
Well done again to you. Thank you, Mr. Basham. And if I could invite all the guests to remain on stage for the traditional group photo.
我哋有請我哋咁多位嘅嘉賓繼續後方，一齊影張大合照。Looking at all our media friends right here today at Shotton Racecourse in the parade ring, and all our racegoers here for the Hong Kong Derby. Congratulations!
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulate the many members of the Ibis Syndicate, many of whom have given years of service to the Hong Kong Jockey Club. A truly special day for all concerned.
再次恭喜晒八路金剛力壓群雄，成為我哋今年寶馬香港打比大賽嘅盟主啊！我哋嘅頒獎儀式嚟到呢度已經係圓滿結束，而家我哋有請勝出嘅馬主、練馬師同埋騎師一齊登上寶馬，開篷跑車巡遊，接受大家嘅祝賀。
And Sarah, there is one final element to this victory, and that is the victory parade, courtesy of our sponsors here, BMW, 14 consecutive BMW Hong Kong Derbies, extending our thanks to BMW once again on behalf of the Hong Kong Jockey Club, and the owners, perhaps not all 25 of the Ibis Syndicate, the trainer Mark Newnham and Jockey Hugh Bowman are doing the parade in the BMW convertibles.
A tradition that cannot be missed。好，提提大家啦，寶馬香港打比大賽馬 黃金大抽獎結果咧，將會喺今日5點前咧就透過手機短信啦，又或者電話通知得獎者嘅。而得獎者咧就要喺今日嘅6點半之前去到我哋平台廣場親身領獎嘅，記得要留意你哋嘅手機啦。
Here we are then, in moment. Mark Union Nick Hedges doing the honours on behalf of the Ivy Syndicate in the BMW convertibles for the Winners Parade. BMW Hong Kong Derby Year of the Horse Golden Lucky Draw winners will be contacted by SMS or phone today at 5 p.m. and all prizes must be redeemed in person by 6:30 at the public concourse, so keep an eye out for the notification at 5 p.m.
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, one final time, the winner of the 2026 BMW Hong Kong Derby in race record time, Invincible Ibis.
喺呢度我哋再次恭喜晒，啱啱咧就成為咗我哋寶馬香港打比大賽嘅盟主8路金光啦。咁啱啱就係第7場賽事，今日我哋一共咧係有10場賽事㗎。喺呢度祝大家喺其後嘅賽事咧就旗開得勝。Good luck for the rest of the races today. Thank you.